Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. Today we're going to show you a couple of really great tools if you need to cut corrugated metal. We want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Morgan? Okay, so we're just starting to attach our siding. We're using, for our cuts, we're just using our circular saw, and I got this really awesome Lenox steel cutting blade. One thing, when you're cutting the corrugated metal, it's a good idea to flip it upside down, and then that will allow you to get a smooth cut. So we want the red side to be face down when we cut it. All right, when you're using the steel cutting blade on a circular saw, you do need some safety equipment like gloves, and we like this face shield because it's like little shrapnel, just it sprays all over you and it stings. So you definitely need some kind of eye protection at least, and then we like hearing protection as well, and it makes the job safe. You go through it like butter. All right, so we're going to do a specialty cut on this corner piece here, which it goes there at the edge to join the end and the side. And so we've got this cool little tool here. It's an electric shear. Look how cool that is. It just makes a nice little strip. Very clean.
Very clean.
Perfect.
Yep.
Nicely done. So these metal cutting shears are made by a company called Bauer, and the saw blade we used for our circular saw is made by Lenox. We're Amazon affiliates. We do earn a small commission from qualified purchases, and we'll put our Amazon affiliate links in the description below. All right, well, that's how you cut corrugated metal siding. If you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.